Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Audi A6 C7 key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a fresh CR2032 battery, which is a common coin cell. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver, preferably one with a thin tip. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the key components are small. This simple process takes only a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. First, find the small silver release button on the side of your key fob and press it. While holding the button, pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot where the key blade usually sits. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle leverage to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to damage the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. It's a CR2032 coin cell. Carefully use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its compartment. Pay close attention to the orientation of the battery, noting which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it is placed with the correct positive and negative orientation. It should click securely into place. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into position. It's a good idea to immediately test your key's functionality by locking and unlocking your vehicle to ensure the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.